Welcome back to my channel, Snow Victory, and now I will discuss about diesel combustion engine. A diesel combustion engine, also called a diesel engine, is an internal combustion engine that use compressed head to create ignition and burn fuel that has been injected into the combustion chamber. This engine does not use spark plug such as gasoline engine or gas engines. This engine was invented in 1892 by Rudolf Diesel, who received a patent on February 23, 1893. Diesel wanted an engine to be used with a variety of fuels including coal, dust. They demonstrated it at the Exposition Universal in 1900 using peanut oil. This machine was later repaired and perfected by Charles F. Kettering. The diesel engine has the best thermal efficiency compared to other internal and external combustion engine because it has a very high compression ratio. Low-speed diesel engines can have thermal efficiency of more than 50%. The diesel engine was developed in two-stroke and four-stroke versions. This machine was originally used as a substitute for a steam engine. Since the 19 and 10 tens, this engine began to be used for ships and submarines, followed by locomotive, truck, power plant, and other heavy equipment. In the 1930s, diesel engine began to be used for cars. Since then, the use of diesel engine has continued to increase, and according to the British Society of Motors Manufacturing and Traders, 50% of new cars sold in the European Union are diesel engined cars, even in France reaching 70%. How diesel engine work? In the diesel engine cycle, combustion occurs at constant pressure and exhaust occurs at a fixed volume. The energy produced in each cycle is the area within the cycle line. Diesel engine use the working principle of Charles' law, which is when air is compressed, the temperature will increase. The air is sucked into this diesel engine combustion chamber and compressed by a piston that compresses with a compression ratio between 15 1 and 22 watt, so that it produces 40 bar pressure. Compared to gasoline engine that are only 8 to 14 bar, this high pressure will raise the temperature to 550 Celsius. Shortly before the piston enters the compression process, diesel fuel is injected into the combustion chamber directly under high pressure through the nozzle and injector, so that it is mixed with hot air with high pressure. The injector ensures that the fuel breaks up into small granules and is spread evenly. The fuel vapor that ignites due to high compressed air inside the combustion chamber. The initial evaporation of this fuel causes a waiting time during ignition. The detonation sound that appears on the diesel engine is when the steam reaches a flame temperature and causes a sudden rise in pressure above the piston. Therefore, spraying of fuel into the combustion chamber begins when the piston approaches the TMA to avoid detonation. Spraying fuel directly into the combustion chamber above the piston is called direct injection, while spraying the fuel into a special chamber that is directly related to the main combustion chamber while the piston is called indirect injection. This closed explosion causes the gas in the combustion chamber to expand rapidly, pushing the piston down and producing linear power. The connecting rod delivers this movement to the crankshaft, and by the crankshaft, the linear power is converted into rotary power. High compression causes combustion to occur without the need for a spark igniter system. So a high compression ratio increases engine efficiency. Increasing the compression ratio on a gasoline engine is only limited to prevent pre-ignition damage. Early generation injection system. The original diesel engine injected fuel with the help of compressed air, which optimized the fuel and forced the fuel into the combustion chamber through the nozzle. The nozzle opening is closed by a valve controlled by camshaft to immediate fuel injection before the top dead center. Using a 3-stage compressor does indeed consume power, but the efficiency and output of the net power generated above the other combustion engine at the time. Today's diesel engine use very high pressure with mechanical pumps and pressurized fuel with injector without compressor air. With direct injection diesel, the injector will spray fuel through 4 or 12 small orifices on the nozzle. Early generation diesel injection engine always had an initial combustion without a drastic increase in pressure when burning. Research is currently being carried out to roast some form of air injection of the original Rudolf diesel designed to reduce nitrogen oxide pollution in all diesel engines. Modern diesel engines always refer to the original Rudolf diesel design, where fuel burned through high compression. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye.